The Chevy Cruze is notorious for developing oil cooler leaks. This usually happens because the factory part is a mix of plastic and aluminum. Over time, the plastic gets really hot, warps, and starts to leak. What we do is swap it out for a new all-aluminum housing that handles the heat much better. Now while we're at it, we often find the oil pan tends to start leaking too, usually around 150,000 kilometer mark. So to tackle both issues, we drain the oil and coolant, pull out the oil cooler, and install the upgraded aluminum one. When oil leaks from the engine and drips onto it, it's a serious fire hazard for a few reasons. The catalytic converter operates at extremely high temperatures, often between 1200 and 1600 degrees Fahrenheit. When oil comes into contact with these hot surfaces, it can ignite, leading to a fire under the hood. This is obviously a major safety risk for you and your vehicle. Give us a call at Precision Motor Works for any of your automotive needs.